Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome everyone to another video here on the K-Tech channel. Today I'm bringing you the unboxing and first impressions of this new release. The VIVO X300 Pro Vivo is known worldwide because they do a great job with their smartphones, especially the cameras. And with this guy here, it's no different. I know you guys are eager to see what this guy is capable of. Where you can buy it too, don't worry. I'll show you everything in this video. If you live in Europe, you can buy one tax-free and have it delivered to your home within 15 days. Check your channel subscription to ensure YouTube hasn't removed it, as that's important. Also, check the notification bell so you don't miss any updates here. And don't forget to share this video to support us too, alright? Now let's get to our unboxing and initial review. With first impressions of this awesome new release, the VIVO X300 Pro, let's go to the video. Let's get started. And starting the unboxing, it's an all-black box with the name X300 Pro highlighted in silver. It also features the ZEISS logo, which is the partner that develops the cameras on this beauty here. The side label shows the product version, 16 with 1 terabyte. Reminder, this smartphone is currently only available in the Chinese version. The global version, at least as it seems, will be released at the end of the month, now in October. For this guy, we only support European Portuguese, and you just need to download and install the Play Store. I'll even send it pre-installed to the winner's house, okay? Everything will run fine except Android Auto. That's the only thing on this device's Chinese version that won't work anywhere. Not here in Brazil, not anywhere in the world, okay? Other than that, it's exactly the same thing, all right? Opening the box, we see the smartphone, a matching blue silicone case, and a quick start guide underneath. And right below, we have a charging and data transfer cable with USB Type-A on one end and USB Type-C on the other end. An ejector pin, and to finish, we have a 90-watt turbocharger, which is really awesome, by the way. And now, with the device already in hand and fully set up, we have a 6.78-inch flat active matrix organic light emitting diode display. Beautiful, really nice. With a refresh rate of 120 Hz, over 1 billion colors, high dynamic range, 10 plus high dynamic range vivid Dolby Vision, and a maximum brightness, guys, of 4,500 nits. It's wild. It feels great, weighs 226 grams, and is 8 millimeters thick. This light blue color, almost white, looks awesome too. And look at this camera module. It's so beautiful, man. It definitely deserves that awesome slap on the back. On the right side, there's the power button and volume up and down. On the top, there's an infrared sensor and a noise-canceling microphone. On the left side, there's a button that switches the audio mode and also turns the flashlight on and off. At the bottom, there's a dual nano SIM 5G tray microphone, USB Type-C port, and stereo speaker. The artificial intelligence that comes pre-installed on it is Blue Artificial Intelligence. It has several features for text, and it also has functions to act as your personal assistant to manage all your activities throughout the day. Unfortunately, some information remains in Chinese. It also offers features to edit photos and erase objects, and they work very well. But to avoid any kind of problem, just install Gemini and that's it, problem solved as well. Now, as for the battery, we have 6,510 milliampere hours of silicon carbon. The performance is incredible. In the tests I did here, the battery lasted a long time. It easily lasts all day. Man, it's really awesome. And its 90-watt charging is really good too. Remember that this device also supports wireless charging at 40 watts. In the processor test, the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 3nm scored 3.7 million points on AnTuTu. Guys, it's the highest score I've ever had in my hands so far in my entire life. It's incredible. As for temperature, it reached 43.2 degrees and only lost 4% of battery. That already shows the battery is top-notch. Let's show some footage using this smartphone, starting with Asphalt Legends. With the graphics all set to maximum, it's running smoothly like butter, no problem at all. And now Call of Duty Mobile, also with all the graphics maxed out at the highest settings. There's no way to increase anything else. Everything is already maxed out there. And for sure, it's top-notch too, running smoothly, no problem at all, no lag, no stutter, no delay, nothing. Everything runs really smoothly. Guys, it's actually running very smoothly. You won't have any kind of problem with this processor. Metron will say you can relax for a few years. You'll have a top processor for all that time without having to worry about upgrading or changing devices to get a more powerful processor. 3,700,000 points on AnTuTu. This device runs everything and will last you a long time. It has IP68 and IP69K certification, resisting high-pressure water jets and submersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. As I always say, be careful with your device. This is just an extra layer of protection from the manufacturer. As for the operating system, we have Origin Operating System 6.0 running with Android 16 on the device. And of course, it also has near-field communication connectivity to make contactless payments. I registered Google Wallet here. You can set up your cards and make payments easily. It will work in Spain and Brazil, even though it's the Chinese version. Ultrasonic fingerprint and facial unlocking are both very fast, unlocking instantly. It's awesome. This smartphone comes in 3 versions: 12 GB RAM with 256 GB, 16 GB with 512 GB, and 16 GB with 1 TB storage. All include dual universal flash storage 4.1 memory. And it doesn't support memory expansion and accepts 2 5G nano SIM cards. And this Chinese version doesn't have eSIM connectivity. Initially, only the global version will include it. Now let's move to the audio and video test. Let me turn up the volume to the maximum now. Let's check the quality. Advanced 2160p. Let's set the brightness to max. It's very strong. Now let's rotate the screen. Done. The screen is very beautiful. Its stereo audio is really good. Really awesome, huh? Guys, the audio and visuals on this device are incredible. The screen looks stunning. Very strong brightness, beautiful colors, perfect saturation, and the stereo audio is excellent too. I really liked it. It's really good. And now let's start talking about the cameras, starting with the front one with 50 megapixels recording in 4K at 60 FPS with high dynamic range and stabilization as well. That's awesome. Let's take photos and videos with its front camera. We're now on the VIVO X300 Pro's front camera, shooting 4K at 60 FPS, the highest resolution. I'm using the wide angle at 0.8. We can switch views once or even twice. Wide angle at 0.8 now. That's all, guys. Check out the sky here because I'm going into the shade now. We're in the shade now. The high dynamic range is working really well on this device too. Check out the image quality and colors. This looks amazing. Let's get out of the shade now. We're in the sun again. Let's test stabilization here. The path here is all uneven, all made of stone. Look how it is. Look, it's shaking a lot here. And we can see that it stabilizes very well, very well. So guys, bringing you 4K at 60 with top stabilization, with zoom and with high dynamic range. So cool, really impressive. VIVO did an excellent job with the front camera. Congrats to them. Guys, personally, I thought the front camera was really awesome, really cool. With high dynamic range and stabilization, you can zoom in while recording video with the front camera. It's amazing and really good. Plus, the resolution is excellent. And now let's move to the back, which has 3 cameras here in partnership with ZEISS. It starts with the 50 megapixel one with optical image stabilization and a second 200 megapixel periscope telephoto. Do you have any idea what that is? With optical image stabilization as well, and up to 3.7x optical zoom, and a third one also 50 megapixels ultra wide. And all of this records in 8K at 30 FPS. Let's check out photos and videos taken with its rear cameras. We're here, guys, with the VIVO X300 Pro maximum resolution, 8K 30 FPS. Let's zoom in and see up to 5 times with stabilization, okay? Look how cool that is. We're back and don't have the wide angle. Let's walk a bit. The ground's really uneven. I'm holding it with just my right hand. Let's test its focus here, the fast focus. It does it pretty subtly too, right? Let's go testing it again now. And here it is for you, stabilization now while walking, VIVO X300 Pro. Awesome, really cool. Now let's switch to 4K 30. Now we're here, guys, 4K 30 FPS with double vision enabled, okay? I can't enable ultra stabilization in 4K. If I turn it on, it will drop to 2.8K. Okay, let's switch to the wide angle, 0.6. And now a zoom here of up to 20 times, huh? Look how cool that is. Look at the quality of this image. Look at the stabilization, 20 times. And now 0.6 and 1 times now. I let go here by mistake and done, 1 times. Very good, 4K 30 FPS. It already stabilizes really well, really well. Now double vision is activated too, okay? I'm gonna stop here now and activate ultra stabilization. Let's go. And now here, guys, ultra stabilization is activated. Like I said, it drops to 2.8K 30 FPS, okay? But I'm shaking the wall a lot, and on screen, it just looks like I'm holding a gimbal. Let's test it here. The focus is very fast, very good. It doesn't switch to wide angle, and we can zoom in up to 5 times, okay? Now going back to 1 times. Wonderful. 2.8K at 30 frames per second. Guys, I thought these cameras were just awesome, both the front and the rear ones. It's amazing, man, really cool. Of course, I need to do a few more tests calmly, right? Take more photos and videos and try other scenarios to better evaluate the cameras. But absolutely, it's one of the best I've ever tested in my entire life. Anyway, comment here what you guys think, and let's go to our summary now. Positive points, in my opinion. Top of the line processor, very good battery, 90-watt charging, 40-watt wireless charging. Beautiful screen with excellent colors and brightness. I also really liked both the front and rear cameras. Negative points. Honestly, I didn't notice any negatives with this device. But just so it doesn't go unnoticed, let's mention the battery here. Maybe it could be a little bigger. 7,000 milliamp hours of battery would help even more. The battery is good, but they could have used a bigger one. Since it's made of silicon carbon, they're able to fit a larger battery capacity into a smaller space as well. Another thing, guys, the weight, 226 grams, doesn't bother me at all. For some people, the weight might be an issue, but for me, it's totally fine. No problem at all. Like I said, I wouldn't list any negatives here. But anyway, I want to know your opinion. Leave a comment down below. It's time for you to give your verdict, your summary. What did you think of this smartphone? It's amazing, isn't it? It's top-notch, right? Did you enjoy the video? If so, leave a like before you go. If not, it's okay to leave a dislike too. Leave your comment, it's really important. Check your subscription here on the channel and the notification bell. Share it to help us grow, okay? We're in this together. Thank you all. God bless. Big hug. See you next time. I'm out.